Grab some 2x2s to increase your bathroom storage in a few easy steps.
Hey, I'm Jackie from So Bright Creations, and today I'm going to show you how to make this over-the-toilet storage shelf.
I cut 4 2x2s to 6 feet each and cut 6 to 19 inches, and I cut another 6 to 4 inches each. I sanded all the boards with 150 grit sandpaper, then used my Craig jig to drill pocket holes in each side of the smallest 2x2. I secured the 4-inch boards to the 19-inch boards with pocket screws and wood glue to make a rectangle. I also found it worked the best when you clamp the boards together before screwing them.
Repeat 2 more times so you end up with 3 rectangles of the same size.
I marked down 2 inches from the top of each 6-foot 2x2 and used a countersink bit to pre-drill the long 2x2 to the rectangle frame. I secured each post with 2 screws. I measured 38.5 inches up from the other end, the bottom, and attached another rectangle base. The middle rectangle base was attached 16 inches below the top one. At this point, I added 2 more pieces of 2x2 just up from the bottom for extra stability. I filled the screw holes with wood filler on the front side only and sanded the excess off smooth once dry. I did 2 coats of the wood filler. I wiped, cleaned, and painted the frame with Benjamin Moore color wrought iron, and I did 2 coats with a light sand in between each coat. While that was drying, I sanded cedar 1x6 boards, ripped them down to size, and sealed them with 2 coats of polyurethane. Again, with a light sand in between each coat. I used a brad nailer to secure the cedar boards to the top of each rectangle base and slid the shelf over my toilet for the most modern functional bathroom storage. I absolutely love how this turned out, and it can be completely customized for your bathroom.
I also love how pretty my Mint cleaning products look on the shelf. Check the description for a discount code for Mint and subscribe for more DIY and crafts.